Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on Topic Operating System. So, let's get started. Which of the following components of a process control block, PCB, is responsible for storing the address of the next instruction to be executed for the process? The correct answer is option A, program counter. In the context of memory management, what phenomenon occurs when the system spends more time swapping pages in and out of memory than executing actual instructions? The correct answer is option B, thrashing. In a Unix-like file system, where is the metadata of a file, such as permissions, timestamps, and block pointers, stored? The correct answer is option C, a node. Which disk scheduling algorithm services requests in only one direction and immediately jumps back to the beginning of the disk upon reaching the end, without servicing requests on the return trip? The correct answer is option D, cscan. The banker's algorithm is primarily used in operating systems for which of the following purposes? The correct answer is option A, deadlock avoidance. Which interprocess communication, IPC, mechanism allows two or more processes to access the same memory segment directly, providing the fastest method of communication? The correct answer is option B, shared memory. Which scheduling algorithm is designed to partition the ready queue into several separate queues based on process priority or type, e.g., foreground versus background? The correct answer is option C, multilevel queue scheduling. The Lady's anomaly is a characteristic associated with which page replacement algorithm? The correct answer is option D, FIFO, first in first out. When a process executes a fork system call in a Unix-based system, what is the return value in the child process? The correct answer is option A, 0. Which of the following is true regarding user-level threads compared to kernel-level threads? The correct answer is option B. Context switching between user-level threads is generally faster. In an access control matrix, what do the rows and columns typically represent? The correct answer is option C, rows, subjects, columns, objects. Which memory management scheme supports a user's view of memory as a collection of logical units like main program, functions, and objects, rather than a linear array of bytes? The correct answer is option D, segmentation. What is the primary advantage of using direct memory access, DMA? The correct answer is option A. It allows I/O devices to transfer data directly to from memory without continuous CPU involvement. Which synchronization construct provides a high-level abstraction that allows variables to be hidden and accessed only through specific procedures, ensuring mutual exclusion automatically? The correct answer is option B, monitors. In file allocation, which method suffers from high seek time because the pointers to blocks are scattered throughout the disk, but avoids external fragmentation? The correct answer is option C, linked allocation. What is the defining characteristic of a microkernel architecture? The correct answer is option D. It moves as many services as possible from the kernel into user space. Which RAID level uses block-level striping with distributed parity, providing a balance between performance and data redundancy? The correct answer is option A, RAID 5. In a resource allocation graph, a cycle is a sufficient condition for a deadlock if and only if. The correct answer is option B. Each resource type has only a single instance. What is the purpose of the translation look-aside buffer, TLB, in a paged memory system? The correct answer is option C. To act as a high-speed cache for recent virtual-to-physical address translations. In the process state transition diagram, when a process is moved from the running state to the ready state, it is usually due to The correct answer is option D, an interrupt or the expiration of a time quantum. Which of the following situations is a direct consequence of starvation in CPU scheduling? The correct answer is option A. A low-priority process is never executed because high-priority processes keep arriving. What is the primary goal of a journaling file system? The correct answer is option B. To maintain a log of changes to ensure file system consistency after a crash. In security, a capability list is associated with which of the following? The correct answer is option C. A subject, listing all objects it is allowed to access and the permitted operations. In distributed systems, location transparency means that the correct answer is option D. Users can access resources without needing to know their physical location. Which type of fragmentation occurs when the memory allocated to a process is slightly larger than the memory requested? The correct answer is option A, internal fragmentation. What is spooling in the context of operating systems? The correct answer is option B. A process of placing data in a temporary working area for another program to process it later. Peterson's solution is a software-based solution to the critical section problem designed for how many processes? The correct answer is option C. 2. A Type 1 hypervisor, bare metal, runs. The correct answer is option D, directly on the host's hardware to control the hardware and manage guest OSs. In CPU scheduling, turnaround time is defined as The correct answer is option A, the interval from the time of submission of a process to the time of completion. What is the first step performed by the OS during the boot process after the power is turned on? The correct answer is option B, executing the power on self-test post. Thank you for watching.